Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. Got something different today. We've got a bike. This is my 2009 Honda CB400. I've had this bike since new, and most people probably don't know. In my late teens, early 20s, I was really into bikes. I used to road race some bikes. I had a bunch of, and this is probably the one I've hung on to, bikes and dirt bikes and all that. Like I said, I bought it brand new. I didn't care at all about cars, and I had it on finance. Loans all paid out at the moment. The last 5 years, it's been sitting around doing nothing, and because of that, the fuel tank rusted on it. So I've had that repaired. The local bike shop has treated all the rust and done like a liquid liner type thing to it to seal it up and make it all good again. I got the fuel pump died, so I got a brand new fuel pump, new gasket. So I'm going to try and put it all back together and get it running. The battery I'm pretty sure is going to be dead, which is a shame because I bought that battery new, and when I tried to start it, that's when I realized the fuel pump was dead. So I've never ridden a bike with that battery, or it hasn't even ran with that battery. So if that's dead, that's going to be annoying. That means I got zero use out of that. I'm really hoping the injectors aren't blocked as well, especially seeing as I've had the fuel line disconnected for a couple months now, so it's all kind of dried up, and I hope it hasn't gummed up in the top of the injectors. So see how that goes, and hopefully either tomorrow, if the battery's any good tomorrow, I'll take it for a spin. If not, next weekend I'll get a fresh battery and we'll go for a ride on it, and I'll bring you along with it because we're just coming into summer. And I would like to use it a little bit, but I'd also like to sell it and use the money for like my ute one of my utes or the Falcon, put the money into that instead. So if I can at least get it going, have a little bit of fun on it, advertise it, sell it, I'll be happy. So that's what we're planning to do today. That's brand new pump, sender, everything. This was expensive. This was like, bloody $700. All right, looks like I lost the nuts, or the bike shop lost the nuts. So got some new stuff I can use instead. All right. Easy. All right, I've hit a wall with this thing. I just went to put the fuel tank on, and I'm missing the clip that holds the fuel line on. So the new pump didn't come with one. The one off the old pump is missing. The little clip, it just sits over the top, and it's got two little tags on it, and they work with the two little windows in the female part, and they just lock the fuel line on. Without that, as soon as it makes pressure, it's just going to blow the fuel line off. So, like I said, new one didn't come with one. The old one definitely had one, and either I've taken it off and lost it, or the workshop that did the tank has lost it because I gave them the old pump so they could seal the hole up and do their treatments and stuff. So either I've lost it or they've lost it. So that's a little bit annoying and disappointing, but I'm still going to try and put it on anyway. I'll put it on and I'll get some zip ties to hold the line on and stop it from blowing off, and I will source the clip for it and replace it when I can, because by the looks of it, my battery's dead anyway, so I'm not going to be able to ride it tomorrow anyway. So if I can get it on, put some fuel in it and see if the injectors are good, because they might have to come out and be cleaned. that will make me happy. So attempt 2, let me try again. All right, let's try again. Okay. That might work. All right, let's put some fuel in it. Not too much. I'm probably going to make a mess. Doesn't look like anything's leaking. Let's see that fuel pump. Oh, that sounds promising. All right, well the fuel line hasn't busted off, or blown off I should say. It's not leaking. All right, just gonna do a few more checks like oil and coolant and all that sort of stuff, and hopefully we'll fire it up really soon. Just feeling about that clip. It's annoying. Stupid little 5-cent part.
Which costs $10.
Yep. I think just going to the wreckers and grabbing one and putting it in my pocket, it's just going to be like half a day stuffing around. Oh. If I hear it run, I'll be happy. If it doesn't run because of the injectors, then it wasn't going to run anyway. So. All right. Where's my little light? It says I'm low on fuel. And down a cylinder or two. All right, I'm really happy to hear that thing run. I was starting to get worried that the injectors might have been blocked and needed to be cleaned and stuff. So the fact that it ran on all 4 and ran smooth and beautiful just makes me really happy. I'm a bit annoyed that that fuel line clip went missing and I'll need to put battery in it, but that's life, I guess. So next week, through the week, I will get a battery for it. And with any luck, I might be able to ride this thing next weekend, which makes me very, very happy because it's been about 4 or 5 years since I've rode this thing or even heard it run. So if I can ride it around a little bit, get some enjoyment out of it and just record some good footage of it, it'll make me really happy. And if and when I come to sell it, I'll always have that footage and at least get some enjoyment out of it before it goes. But yeah. Next weekend, hopefully, if I get my shit together, we'll take this thing for a spin. I'll see you then. Alrighty, I'm back. Had some luck with the old bike. I got a battery for it. That is over here on charge. And we're fully charged. That's ready to go. The place where I got the battery from, I wasn't expecting it, but they were a Honda dealer and they managed to have the part in stock I needed for the fuel line. Let me get it out. This little clip, it was only 10 bucks. So I was extremely happy they had that in stock. It was going to be like a 2-week wait to get it. So that's awesome. So I'll put the battery in, I'll put this clip on, put the rest of the crap on, and then I might give it a wash. And then with any luck tomorrow, if the weather's half good, I'll take it for a ride. And it'll be the first time I've ridden it in like 3-4 years. So I can't wait. Alrighty. There we go. That was the sound I wanted to hear. Just put the new battery in. Come on. There you go. Out with the old. New battery in. Beautiful. Beautiful. No leaks. Beautiful. Tanks on. Side panels. Beautiful. And the seat. Dirty, dirty seat. More fuel. There we go. She's full now. nice day. Weather's not too bad. There's a bit of blue up there, some nasty looking clouds over there. So no mile, like it'll probably rain, but I'm just excited to ride this thing. So let's get it out, let's get it warmed up. was pretty fun. I do enjoy riding this little thing. Like, I've had much better and faster and bigger bikes, but this thing is just a good all-round balance. Like, it's nice and light, it's small, it's only a 400, only makes about 50 horsepower, but because of that you can, and the gearing and stuff, you can rev it out every gear and not be stupid over the speed limit. You can have a lot of fun, make a lot of noise, and it is comfortable and great and everything. Having said that, I'm probably going to sell this soon, so if you see it on Marketplace or eBay or something, please don't lowball me on it, but it'd be good. If I sell this, I can put the cash into the other cars and have more fun with those. But yeah, great little bike. Love this thing. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. The best.